Guess what? I just got a phone call from T&D. The rocker arms are ready. I'm going to jump in the Dart, head across town, pick them up. I'll come back, and I'll show you what we got. There's a little part of me that wants to take you along for the ride.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, ooh, I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder.
Obviously, they package these things to ship them all over the world. And packaged really nice. What do we have here? We have a little bit of paperwork, some decals. It's kind of cool. A lot of places are cheaping out on the decals these days. Yeah, this is a super important notice that T&D puts on their rockers when they send them out. They do not want you washing the assembly lube out of these things. there's a problem where engine builders, they'll buy something, they automatically put it in their solvent tank. And if you do that to a set of well-made roller rockers, it's going to flush all the assembly lube out of the unit, and then you could have a failure. So right here, it's the 8013. So what you got here is you have one set. It's the 8013 steel 7070 rocker arm set. But here's the studs, some instructions. Right now I just want to show them to you guys because they are incredible. Okay. And I'm gonna set this one down so that we can open this up. Down.
Feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce.
So when you look at this giant steel plate, let me see if I can get a light down here. Maybe that'll help. This giant steel plate is the foundation for all the rocker arms. It does a couple cool things. It ties the whole top of the head together better, makes it more stable, and it also allows you to run these individual shafts. So 1, 2, 3, 4 different rocker shafts. So you don't have that long problematic rocker shaft that you deal with on the conventional big block Chrysler setup, because those things tend to be a little flexy. T&D has some real fascinating high-speed video of the traditional style rocker arms under heavy spring pressure and a bunch of RPM, the way that the shaft assemblies are just not stable. They're moving around in a sine wave as the engine's running. Obviously it's at a high RPM, but ultimately that leads to failure. So the whole idea here is to stabilize the valve train so that you do not have problems down the road. And then by making the rockers out of steel instead of aluminum, you eliminate that failure rate as well. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope it was informative. I'm thoroughly impressed with these things. They are by far the best rocker arms I've ever seen. I can't believe, I can believe, because I know what comes out of that shop. Those guys know what they're doing. They engineer great parts using the best materials out there. If you're interested in a set, do this. Give Sheldon Miller a call. Tell him Kevin Griffitts sent you. He'll like hearing from you. All right, everybody. Let's go get something done.